Hey guys, Moshe is here. I just got a few minutes ago, literally a few minutes ago, another Tesla update. This one has to do with cold weather. There's only one update, cold weather improvements, which is good for people who live in cold weather, like I am. So basically, if you want to use your app to precondition your car to high, if you precondition your car to high in the cold weather, the climate system will better precondition in your car in terms of your charge port in freezing condition. So it will help unfreeze your charge port. If you park outside, if you do any kind of preheating using your app, that's very good. I like that. This one, they keep your climate on. That was from last time. This is not from this time. It always give you the notes from last time. But this one, they keep the climate on. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Let me show you how it works. I don't know if I went over it last time. Basically, if you go to the climate, you see now, keep climate on. So now it's on off, meaning when I leave the car, the climate will turn off after I leave the car. But if I press this button right here, then the climate is on now, and if I leave the car, it will stay on until the battery reaches 20%. Then it will shut off, so you don't run out of charge. What you would use that for, let's say you go to the supermarket or something, and you want to keep your car running, and when you come back and you want it on, you want the car to be still warm or something like that. This is not to leave it overnight. Obviously it will shut off. I keep it off because we park inside the garage. You know what I mean? But this is really good. I gotta tell you, this is really, really awesome. So that was it. Excuse me, it was a little update. That's all it is. All right, guys. Thanks.